Oh, wait, are we on now? Yeah. Okay, hey everybody, hi, my name is Cody. You know, Cody, yeah, well, whatever. And, I'm just out here watching this storm right now with this attractive girl, and she was hungrier than she was actually hungrier than she thought. And the reason why she was so hungry is because she didn't get that much lunch, and now she got this, you know. Okay, that was unexpected. I'm gonna go over here and see if there's more, if I can get some more action. Uh-oh. I think this is getting serious. You think? Well, I don't think. I know. Oh, no. You're pointing up there. Boy, it just rains and stops. Rain stops. Almost 2 years. Also, the signal light video may not be out for a while. Probably not till August. It'll happen. Right now. Oh, poop. Uh-oh. Look up. Don't look at the camera. I said don't look at the camera. Yeah. Well, we're watching the storm right now. Yep. We're watching the storm. With this girl over here. Are you satisfied? You know, after you were hungry. Yeah. Yeah. Is this scaring you a little bit? She said just a little bit. Alright. Well, what could possibly go wrong? Hold on. What could possibly go wrong? Even though a lot of times when you say that, things go wrong. But let's just enjoy ourselves. Who could possibly win this one? Yep. That's... Oh. Me. Sorry. What the... Wait, who are you? Oh, who am I? Who am I? Who do you think I am? Idiot. Idiot. I don't wanna... Well, I can't cuss, you know, for reasons I don't want to explain. I'm Angry Grandpa! You're Angry Grandpa? Oh, well, you look like him. There. You look like him a little bit. Wait, you are him? Yeah, did you finally realize that? What are you doing here? What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I don't know, man. I noticed that the pretty attractive girls out here, right? Yeah? Well, Wait, what are you doing? It's time to go. What? Yeah, it's time for her to leave. Are you joking right now? No. What? Just come on. No, it's time for you to go. Come on. Hey, don't do that to her, man. I'll do whatever I want. Alright, you understand me? I will do whatever I want. No, you won't. Come on, get up. Hey, don't do that to her. Come on. Man, stupid girl. Hey, whoa, buddy. Whoa. You don't know who you're doing. Come on, get your ass up. Come on. No, come on, sit down. Come on, enjoy yourself, alright? No, it's time for her to go inside. She's not even your daughter. I don't care. Come on, let's go, move it. Come on. Yo, get off, sit down. Can you sit down, please? That was meant to happen. Sit down, alright? Get off of her. Come on, let's go. Come on. Hey, man, get off of her. Get off. Sit down. Hey, get your hands off of me. Sit down. Get off. What is your problem, man? What is my problem? What's your problem, buddy? What is your problem, man? Why were you trying to harass that girl? I wonder why. Because I want her as my girlfriend. I've had a decent girlfriend for a long time. I had to deal with kids. I had to deal with a crazy woman. Oh yeah, you know, your old wife Tina. How do you know? Because I watched the older videos of the Angry Grandpa show. Well, I wanted a decent girl in my life, man. You wanted a decent girl? Yeah. I might be 65, but I'm still looking for a nice woman, and she is pretty hot. She's coming with me. She's not coming with you, buddy, alright? You need to go. I don't need to do nothing, man. Well, listen, alright? She doesn't want to come with you, alright? Oh, yeah? Is that so? Do you or do you not want to come with me? Is it yes or no? Do you want to come or not? No! What do you mean, no? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? Hey, buddy, back away from her. Don't you tell me what to do. Don't you tell me what to do. You understand me? Listen, man. She doesn't want to be with you, alright? You understand me? Want a pretzel? No, take that thing out of my face. Alright, you know what? Fine then. You're not getting the pretzel, see? You're not getting it. The last shot mine was, no, you're not getting it now. Don't you put your hands on me again, understand me? You don't put your hands on me again. And plus, you don't even have a nose on you. Alright, so you think she would want to be with some freak who has anger issues and who destroys stuff all the time? He destroys stuff too. Real mature, buddy. Real mature. Don't you go there with me, you understand me? That's my business, alright? But do you think any girl would want to be with somebody who's a crazy maniac? You crossed the line with me, buddy. What? You crossed the line with me, you little asshole. Watch your language, alright? Those some words aren't bad words, alright? You understand me? Those some words aren't bad words. Get out of my face, alright? I'm tired of it, alright? You need to get out of here. Or else that'll happen. Really? But seriously, another reason is I want to see the lightning. And you're making me miss it by me having to argue with you. Well, that's your fault. Because you won't let me have the girl. She doesn't want to be with a 65-year-old maniac. I'm a maniac? Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? You stop. I'm gonna put this pretzel over here. What are you doing? I'm gonna kick your ass. Oh, you're gonna kick my ass? A 65-year-old man like you. Wait, what are you doing? I just want to catch some lightning. Really? Yes. I just want to get one strike, a big lightning strike. Really? Yeah. Like that. Well, I didn't even say anything to you. It doesn't matter. You won't let me have a girl? No, I will have a girl. Well, back off. You know what? Let's fuck it. Let's duke it out. Oh, you want to duke it out with me? Yeah, I've heard that you've got medical disorders. Why do you know? I've heard people talk about it. You know, this Cody. Your name is Cody, right? You know, the Maggie Koopa? Yeah. I heard you got medical disorders, man. So, you know what? Oh yeah? By the power of magic, I will... Actually, you can spank that. Oh, you want me to go there? Oh, you want me to spank your ass, buddy? I'll do that. I'll be glad to do it. Just wait right there. Oh, wait a minute. What are we searching for? Just wait a minute. Should I move? Ow! That hurts. I thought it would feel sexy, but it just hurts. You know what? While I'm up here, if you won't come with me, I'm gonna do things that aren't pleasant. Wait, what are you doing? Something that I should have done alone. Goddamn time alone. Oh well, I'll go. You know what I mean. Get up! Get up now, girlie. Now you know what's gonna happen? Hey, why are you stupid? You what? Back away from her. You stop! You! I hate you! You're gonna pay now! Wait, what? Ow! Was that supposed to... Oh! Oh! Ow! Ah! Now you know what's gonna happen, you know what? That's what she's strong. What's up? Yeah, you would wish he was up too, but guess what? He isn't. He won't be able to save your life either, you little asshole. You know what's gonna happen? You know what's gonna happen, man? Don't look now, but I think somebody's right behind you. Huh? Who are you? I am the military hat. Oh, I remember you. Yeah, and I remember you too, Angry Grandpa. I hate your guts. I want to show my eyes and stuff. I do have eyes in the face. I don't know if you guys can see it so well. But, you know, yeah. Ow, what? Ow, ow, ah. Why you stop? Watch your language, buddy. You understand me? You don't tell me what... What, you think you could get the baby? You were always ungrateful to everybody, and I'm sick and tired of it. Ready to give up, buddy? You ready to give up? Dove it now. No. I have my hands on it. I have my hands on it now. You'll never dare. You'll never dare. Let go of it now. Now, if I see you again, ow! I hate you. I give up. I give up. I'm sorry. You better be sorry, or else I'm gonna make you sorry. I don't want to do that again. But seriously, that is intense smart there. But that was very intense, bro. I know. Whoa! That just scared me. Ah! Okay, that scared me. How about? Are you serious? Oh goddamn! That did scare me though. Oh, that did scare me. Oh my god. My god. By how you still have energy, even for a 65-year-old man. Don't worry about it. Don't do that to me. I'm not over. It's not over with her though. I'm gonna get that girl. What did I hear? Once I get my hands on that girl, she's gonna be mine, and I'm gonna make her mine. You're like afraid of lightning and stuff, and you know, well, the military has afraid of lightning and thunder and stuff, and you can't defeat me because you have medical disorders or something like that. Who are you? Who am I? Who am I? Who do you think I am? I actually saw what you did to that girl. I was just pretending to be passed out. Wait, what? Ah! Whenever that girl kisses somebody, it knocks them out. But it only lasted for just a couple minutes, and then I woke up, and then I decided to pretend to be knocked out. Okay. Huh, what's that? I have respect for you, Angry Grandpa. I like your channel, but no, all I have is hatred for you. What? You treated everybody like crap in your family, and I'm tired of it. Oh God. Had enough. Sorry, I had enough, man. I knew being bad was a bad idea. I knew being bad was a bad idea. I'm going inside, man. Never expect anything from me anymore. God, I can get inside now. That's right. Never mess with me or the girl. Biggest lightning. I sure defeated Angry Grandpa. Oh, the real one is not going to learn this lesson. what? Oh my god, please don't beat me up. Please! I'm not gonna beat you up. You're not? No. You can have her. What? I said you can have her. Yeah. You have proved that you've tried to defeat somebody. Was he trying to steal her? Yeah, something like that. Well, you know what? You deserve to have her. I'm gonna go inside now. Because I kind of, want to go inside. That, even though it's cool outside. Do your worst! Okay, come on, don't do that. I'll do whatever I want to do. You know what? I guess I'll see you later. I guess I defeated him. I'll see you on the other side, buddy. Well, goodbye, everyone. Wow. Well, I guess we can watch the storm in peace now. Well, I'm gonna turn this off for a minute. See you later.